Want to be able to front handspring? Keep watching. Okay, so as usual with all hand flips, you need to be able to be comfortable on your hands, so practice this. After you got that done, practice cartwheels. Not too sure if you ever want me to do a cartwheel tutorial, but you all can comment down below. Cartwheel looks like. Alright, it's kind of windy today, boy. But yeah, once you know the direction of your cartwheel, you'll be able to know which direction or which leg you'll push off of to be able to do the front handspring. So if your cartwheel with your left hand going down first, you'll be pushing off your left foot. If your cartwheel with your right hand going down first, you'll be pushing off your right foot. Now do a cartwheel and end facing forward. I'll show you what I mean. Trouble to do that move. Do a cartwheel and twist the face forward. Do this to get the feel of the move. When you're landing, push your chest out like this and keep your leg, the leg that you're not landing on, higher. It really helps. Now in a cartwheel, your hands go in a line, your foot go in a line. So gradually try to put your hands straight instead of in a line. What helps if you're doing it off of your left foot, stay a little longer on your right hand to complete the flip. So you could lift off your left hand and fall onto your foot. Alright, so now that you can do that, try to do it a little faster. I don't know if you all noticed, but I'm doing it pretty similar to a squat. I'm landing pretty similar to a squat. So yeah, make sure you all could squat. And if it's one thing, notice that in a squat your foot is flat. So when you're beginning, make sure you could squat and you're trying to land exactly like a squat, which is flat-footed. Don't land on your toes yet. Alright, so you're almost doing a front handspring. All you need to do is push off of your hands like this. So pushing like that. And you need to straighten up. So let's do it. So now you're springing off your hands, but you're having problems going straight. Well, here what you have to do. You have to put both hands down in a line. At the same time, perpendicular to the direction you're going. Oh yeah, mathematics. You get it? You ain't get it? Thought that would have helped. Alright, let's see if this helps. Do a handstand and drop into a bridge and try to stand back up again. Land on your toes for this. Do the same thing now and just push with your shoulders. Okay, in my opinion, that is the best way to do it. So if you're still having trouble, what I will say is just keep practicing, because you just have to understand your body, so keep practicing. Oh, and take your time, you know, you don't want to damage yourself. Take your time, do what you know you could do. So don't go on to the next level unless you're able to do the previous level. Understand? So guys, that was it. I'm gonna show you all pretty much all my moves. So you know, like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff, so you won't miss. And this move here, what we learned today, is pretty much the basis of the webster, but we'll get to that. So